Yo, what is up, my old schoolers? Hopefully, you guys are staying creative. I am here again, old school artist. I am here to show you today how to create outlines, which is creating a text into a shape. So let's get started. I'm not gonna make this video too long to bore you, so let's get creative. Okay, so you go ahead and go on your left bar and you select the type tool, and let's go ahead and type in. I'm gonna put creating outlines. Okay, so when you're creating outlines, it's basically changing it into a shape and doing anything you want in your text, which meaning you can do typography, take off letters, put in letters, change each letter differently from each font. So to create outlines is you can go ahead and go up where it says type. You can create outlines there, or you can go ahead and right click and it says create outlines. So either one works. So when you do that, it creates it into a shape, and this is where you can go to the direct selection tool, and you can see that it has all these points. When it has points like that, it means that you can change each letter individually or shape it any way you want. Go ahead and make one letter bigger or less, but it's just you selecting the pinpoints. So right here where it says points, you can go ahead and hold down shift and you can select it. So when it looks like that, like the dark red color, you can move those pinpoints individually and make it any shape you want. So let's go ahead and move this one to as well. So that's what the direct selection tool does, is adjusting and selecting your points. The other thing that you can do when you're creating outlines is you can go ahead and ungroup all of it. So you can either go to object, ungroup, or you can right click and it should show you here on the drop down, ungroup. So you have a group and you can select each letter individually with the selection tool, which is the black mouse. And you can move a letter individually, or you can either make the letter enlarge, where you can hold down shift, and then I'm using a Mac Pro, and you can hold down shift and in your pad, click down and make it big. Or you can not hold down shift and then just destroy it the way that you want it, any way that you want it on there. You can go ahead and change colors too as well. So we can use green on this one and add a stroke to it, and you want that one to be like the only different letter in there for it to pop out, or any design that you're designing. This is a way that you can create typography, is playing around with it, or even putting an image behind it. So let's go ahead and I don't have any images saved yet, but that's what creating outline is all about. It's just creating turning the text into shapes and making, doing anything you want with it and designing anything you want, or you can be super creative with this tool. I use this a lot. I always don't leave the text in its original font. I love being creative and creating new things and being different, and creating outlines is a pretty easy tool. Like I said, I use it throughout my whole designs, throughout my whole career in being an illustration artist. But hopefully this video helps out into how to create outlines. And I know there's a ton of people that are like, how do I create outlines? Or the teacher is talking too fast and you're like, okay, I'm lost. Well, here's the video for it. A quick video of how to create outlines, not too big, not too long video, But hopefully this helps. Hope to see everybody watching my video next time, and I'll create another video. I don't know what I'm gonna, be the video about, but hopefully it's something helpful that you can use in your career and in your designing career. So thank you for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button for my next videos, and stay tuned and stay creative. See you guys.